Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm participating in a tier tray collaboration hosted by Domestic Diva DIY and co-hosted by Lisa Birmingham. Please head over to their channels. They have amazing contents to share, and the links to their channels will be in the description below. For my tier tray, I went with a black and white theme and a lot of greenery. The tier tray was DIY. The top two trays are from Dollar Tree. The bottom portion is actually a silver charger from Michael's. The candlesticks holders I had already in my home. The buffalo check bowl is from Hobby Lobby. The greeneries are from Walmart and Dollar Tree. This black and white saucer, that is from Dollar Tree. The pumpkins are from Dollar Tree, and the succulents are from Dollar Tree. And there's also a sign in the back. That is also from Dollar Tree. The top tray, I added 2 coffee mugs, and those are from Burlington. Actually, there's 4 in total, and they have Bible verses on each one. Bottom tray, I also added the coffee mugs and another saucer. On the side of the tier tray, I have this black and white buffalo check plate that is from Hobby Lobby, and I got that on clearance for $5.49. It was $21.99. The tier tray and the other items are sitting on, actually those are placemats. I just use them as runner. The napkin is from Home Goods, the napkin ring. I purchased that from Pier 1. And on the other side of the tier tray, I have a candlestick holder, which I DIY'd. And the items I use, those are from Dollar Tree. And this concludes the tour of my tier tray collab. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing